How do we develop a color master batch? This is a question we often get at Italmaster. On the basis of this video, we are happy to explain this. Everything starts, of course, with the customer who wishes to develop a new color master batch with us. This can be done in several ways. Either he gives us a Pantone or Arial reference of a certain color, or he supplies us with a sample of his current master batch. In another case, we need to develop the desired color on the basis of a piece of the plastic product itself. We then ask the customer to fill in a checklist in which we check for additional information that should give us a correct picture of the usage requirements and functionalities that the master batch must meet, such as the type of polymer to be colored, the processing temperature for injection molding or extrusion, is it an indoor or outdoor application, what is the desired dosage of the master batch, and much more. The checklist is the input for our internal lab request. With this information, the color engineers can get started with the color matching job. The color engineer undertakes a number of attempts in the lab to create the suitable master batch formulation with a whole range of available monopigments. These pigments are carefully selected in the lab and weighed very precisely. Then, a small amount of master batch is created on lab scale. The obtained master batch is eventually mixed with a specific raw material that needs to be colored and that the customer will use for his final application. For injection molding purposes, a color plate is injected. For fiber extrusion, a fiber sample is spun with this mixture as a test sample. So we are basically going to imitate the customer's process with the master batch we have developed, with the right dosage and the raw material of the customer. If there is a good color match, the customer receives the color plate or fiber sample for approval. After all, the color plate or fiber sample helps the customer to properly assess the color tone obtained in his own used polymer. The customer can then choose to have a master batch sample produced in order to test the developed master batch in his own production process. In a final step, we deliver a quotation to the customer and are happy to guarantee our best conditions for cooperation.